Hello, I am Gaurav Harane. I am FEA enthusiast working at Engineering Technique, India. Here I am having a steel square pipe. I have kept a GoPro underneath it to understand how the folds occur when it is subjected to hydraulic press. Now, as the hydraulic press is started, we can see how beautifully the pipe starts to fold, and it is very satisfying to watch it in action. Now let's remove the pipe and understand the recording. It's beautifully recorded all the folds, and it's so magnificent to watch it from the within. I have taken a cross section of the pipe for better visibility and understanding of the folds which have occurred. Now let's compare this practical experiment by utilizing advanced FEA tool on cloud, Simulia. It is a scalable simulation and engineering collaboration on the cloud. Featuring Abacus technology, Simulia Works brings advanced simulation capabilities to your product development process. Every user will log in into the platform using unique credentials. Let me log in using my ID and password. Once you're logged in, it will take you to the dashboard. Here, I have created my customized dashboard, and you can go through various apps you are interested in. Here, let me begin by opening an app and start the analysis. Once the required app is open, you can import the CAD file. I am importing the already created assembly in SolidWorks into the platform. Once it is open, you can see my assembly consists of square pipe channel and plates at top and bottom to mimic the hydraulic press operation. To start the analysis, I'll browse to the mechanical scenario creation app. I'll give a name, say for example crush analysis. And once the name is given, I'll just hit OK. Then user-friendly assistant will help me in setting up the analysis. I have created the setup by providing proper material, connections, interactions, restraints, loads, mesh conditions, and ran the analysis. Let me now showcase you the results. I'm just rearranging the window for proper viewing. You can animate the result plots. It is showing the von Mises stress for different time increments. From list of various predefined plot, let me select displacement and check the results. You can clearly understand how beautifully the folds are created due to the application of load from the top. Now, let me go to another plot and activate the cross section of result. The cross section also shows how elegantly it has created the folds to mimic the actual hydraulic press condition. Let me just zoom a little bit for clear visibility of the result. Now, summarizing what we have seen till now, I have compared the results to practical hydraulic testing, and the results were pretty similar what I got in Simulia. The same goes with the cross section of pipe results too. Finally, I would like to thank you for watching the video till the end.